So I'm working on my EX 500. This bike has gasoline in the oil. I took the carburetors off, and by accident the pin fell out of this float, and I never cleaned the float needle area before, so I sprayed it out, and this is all the rust that came out. I may have just cleaned out the whole fuel bar and the line of all the rust, but we'll see how much rust comes out of this float. I put a rag over the area I'm spraying so nothing sprays back. So let's see what comes out. Alright, looks like a little rust came out. So that's something new. I never have cleaned my float needle area before. You know, I've never had a bike with gasoline in the oil before, so this must be a design flaw with these Kawasaki EX 500s. I looked at the gas tank, and the diaphragm breaking on the fuel petcock is another reason to have fuel in your oil. I put the tank on my bench and I turned it on, and no gasoline came out. So I'm focusing on the carburetors right now. So alright, if you have rust in your float bowls, it would probably be a good idea to pull your float needle out and blow it out with some carburetor cleaner. Don't soak your carburetors in a big gallon of carburetor cleaner because it melts plastic. So here you're just spraying out your carburetors, and it evaporates. It's not sitting. So the pin that holds the float in, you can just push it out with a small nail. Okay.